Hello, and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook up some brownies. I'll tell you one bad thing about everybody staying at home. Once everybody gets back out, you're going to find a bunch of obese people on the house. You sit around the house and Kay says, "I'd sure like to have some brownies." I said, "All right, well, we're going to cook up some brownies then." But so this is going to be one of the after effects of this thing is a bunch of obese people, more obese people than it is now. So anyway, we're going to make some of this CHIRARDELLI, I think I'm pronouncing that right, triple chocolate brownies here, and we're going to do it in a Ninja FOODi. We got this 9-inch round aluminum pan here. We got 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. We got 1/3 of a cup of water. And we've got this pouch of brownie mix that come out of that box. And we've got 1 egg. So, now let's get to mixing it up. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is empty this pouch in this mixing bowl here. You know, that looks good already. Make us a little equator here. Put everything in. Okay, now we'll crack my egg in this bowl here. Now, I don't never crack my egg right into the bowl that I'm going to do something with, because if you want to have a bad egg here, you know, I mean, and it doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. But if you had a bad egg, then you'd have to just throw that entire bowl of mix away and start over again. So I always put mine in a little bowl like this, and then pour it in there after I look at it. Okay, now we'll go dump that egg right down in that mix. And we'll add our oil, 1/3 cup of oil. And now our 1/3 cup of water. All right, we're getting there now. That looks good enough to eat just by itself, just about. Now, let's see if we can mix it up. Round and around. You know, to make sure everything gets incorporated, as they say. Oh, that's starting to smooth out pretty good now. Oh yeah, this is looking nice. This is looking real good right here now. Now you see those clumps and stuff in there? That's chocolate chips. It's got 3 kinds of chocolate chips. It has to be true, it says it on the box right there. So we're about to get that mixed up. That looks good enough to eat like that right there. I bet you if I saw this when I was a kid, I could sit down with a spoon and do away with every bit of it in just a few minutes. And I could probably do it now too, but I just don't want to. Alright, now the next thing we've got to do is... Okay, now I'm just going to take some good old pound here and spray this pan down good. I like to do it over the sink more or less, that way what don't go in the pan doesn't go in your floor. So I'll tell you what, if you spray that stuff and it goes in your floor, it can get really slick. So now, let's pour some of this in this pan here and see what we got. Every bit of that's going to go in that pan right there. By the way, did I think about telling y'all we're going to do this in the Ninja FOODi DELUXE? I know you think it can't be done, but it can. You wait and see. Let me get my spatula out so I can get some more of that out of there. I don't want to waste it. Now, we want to get every bit of it down in that bowl. I mean that pan that we can. That's about it now. We're getting pretty close. Now. Alright, now. We're going to take this little trivet right here, or wire rack, or anything else you want to call it. It came with this Ninja FOODi DELUXE. Whoops, you gotta be careful with it. I'm gonna take this pan and set it right on top of it. You saw me almost drop it in the floor, didn't you? There. Now, fold it up like that. Alright, now we'll come over here to the Ninja FOODi. I'm gonna set it right down in here. Just like this. Now, we're going to shut the lid. We're going to turn on the power. We're going to bring it down to bake roast, just like that. And it's at 375. Well, I don't want it at 375. I want to hit the temperature button. I'm going to bring it down to 325. There you go. Now the time over here, I want to put 30 minutes on it. Alright, then you hit your start button. And there it goes. Well, we got a chance. If y'all can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we'll sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos and subscribes to our channel. It means a lot to us. And so, now we'll be back in about 29 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, now it's exactly halfway through the cook, down to 15 minutes. So let's take a look and just see what it looks like. Oh, that's starting to look really good. Get over here so you can see better. Yeah, see the way it's pulling away from the edge of the pan already and everything. I don't know if it's take the full 30 minutes in here. We're going to have to keep a little close eye on this. It might even take longer. I don't know. So we'll check and see in a minute. Okay, now I just looked at the box again. And I might have got my time wrong on this because it says right here 45 to 50 minutes in a 8x8 or 9x9 or 11x7 pan, and I guess if it's a round pan, it's 9x9, I guess, I don't know. But anyway, I might have to boost my time on up a little bit more. So we'll see in a minute. Okay, now it's got 1 minute left on it, 30-minute cook, but I just want to see if it's done yet, or getting close. So I'm going to put the toothpick down in there. Oh, it's getting close. Well, that's not close. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add another 10 minutes to it. And so, we're going to add 15 minutes to it. So, that'll bring us up to 45. So I'm going to shut the lid, let it start back cooking. Come over here and hit the time button. I'm going to run it on up to 16 minutes. And there it goes. Now, that'll be a total of 45 minutes. And so that's what it says on the box. Well, it says 45 to 50. So we'll get back and see what it says then. Okay, now we're down to 22 seconds here. So we're fixing to see what kind of brownies we've got. And we're ready for some brownies. All right. I'll run just a second. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? A little cracked on top, but we're going to cut it up anyhow, so it doesn't matter. So let's see if we can get it out now without burning ourselves. Okay, now let me see if I can get a hold of it here. Here we go, set it right there. And we'll see if I can slide it right on over there, just like that. Got lucky. All right, now, I don't think there's any use to me doing much to it till it cools off just a second or two, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we'll see if I can cut a slice and get it out of there. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Now you can cut this about any way you want to, I guess. This is just in a round pan. This is about the easiest way as I've seen to do it. Of course, you got people standing waiting for it. It don't much matter because it's not going to last long anyway. Looks pretty good, don't it? Now I'll see if we can get a piece out of here. Okay, now after you get the first piece out, it comes out pretty easy, but getting that first piece out is a little tricky without mangling it up. But there you can see what it is. Good old brownies. This Girardelli here, or whatever the name of it is. I got it right a while ago. I can't get it right now. That's about all you need. A little third cup of oil, third cup of water, a little bit of pound for your pan. Put it in there and let it bake for 45 minutes, and you're good to go. Now all we need is a glass of milk, and we'll be set. Okay, now this is a pretty good looking treat right here now. One of these brownies. That is really good. Don't talk with your mouth full. Okay, now that's a delicious afternoon snack. It doesn't take that long to fix. And so, after you get it in the Ninja Food, about 45 minutes, and that's all. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope you watch more of them. I hope you come back to see us real soon. And thanks again for watching. Y'all have a real good and safe day. And don't forget to wash your hands and stay away from everybody. Until next time, goodbye now.